Keyboards. Synthesizer. The synthesizer cannot actually replace those acoustic instruments as far as their results are concerned. It does offer a complementary range of sound possibilities that do not always exist yet on acoustic instruments. A few of its more common sounds have the quality of a choir, a church organ, or a string ensemble and can cause relaxation and some growth in our energy fields, particularly when it is played together with an acoustic instrument as explained above. For me, sound is sound. Whether it is of artificial or acoustic origin is secondary. What matters much more is whether the sound is lovely and what impact it has on us. There are terrific lots of low-cost synthesizers which have a very bad sound. Some more expensive ones, though, can be really helpful. They can produce sounds no other instrument can, and they can be played by non-musicians when utilized simply for their sounds. Handicapped individuals, kids, and musically untrained individuals can be assisted to play lovely and spacey sound carpets, area, and air, utilizing a synthesizer. They expand our horizons and assist us into an expanded awareness if we remain in touch with the energy motions they provoke.